everyone, you're back with the Mer Mom, and today we're going to do something a little bit different that I don't normally do, but I've seen these videos all over YouTube, and I figured I'd throw one out there too, because I've watched a lot of them, and sometimes they're not that easy to follow, or they don't get everything you're trying to get when you're looking for something. So today I am going to show you how to use a curling wand and get all of your hair nice and curly for evening, school, work. It doesn't really matter. This look is pretty timeless and it will go with anything, any outfit, any setting, just anything. So I have used the curling wand before on all of my hair, and I've recently found a trick thanks to another YouTuber, which if I knew which video it was that I watched last year, I would totally give her a shout out on here because she deserves major props. Anyway, so all you're going to need is your curling wand and then 2 little rubber bands or hair ties, whatever you want to use. I use the ones that you can use to get that look from back in the day because they're super easy to use. So what you're going to do is you're going to separate your hair into 2 parts and then put it up into pigtails. This I have found is the easiest route to go with the all-over curling look. Doesn't have to be super tight, but you're going to want it at least a little on the tight side because when you take your curling wand to it, it's going to pull on that ponytail and it's going to end up getting slightly loose. So here's the other side. Sorry, baby attacked the computer. Okay. Now you can put your pigtails up as high as you want, as low as you want. It's all up to you and what kind of curls you're trying to get. Okay, just pull them a little tight. Hold on while I fix the baby. Alright, so there's that. And now I'm just doing a double check because the last time I did this, I totally forgot an entire, like a good amount of hair did not get put up into these ponytails. Okay, so now you can use a glove if you want. I used to use one. I don't anymore because it got in the middle of my fingertips, and when I need to hold on to the very tip of my hair, I want as much control over that as I can possibly get. So now I always start in the back of the ponytail. That's where the shortest amount of hair is, thanks to my layers. And now the curling wand has this nifty little doohickey right there. It is used to sit up, but I also use it as like a measuring tool. So like I'll put the very last piece of that hair right there to steady it. And then you just wrap it around. And I count to about 15. That way I know I've got a good, decent amount of heat put onto my hair. And then the curl looks fantastic. Alright. Then you just pull it out, and you've got that curl. It doesn't look the best because it's the shortest amount of hair, but the rest of it, when it all comes together, it ends up looking fantastic. Alright. Alright. That one's a bit on the better side. And now I keep pulling the ponytail tight as I go because, like I said, when you pull your hair over, you're going to end up pulling on that ponytail. And it ends up getting loose. Sorry, I totally forgot my train of thought. Alright. There we go. And I apologize for my frame keep moving. I've got my little baby over here, and she keeps trying to attack the computer.
I can't believe I lost my figure for the likes of you. You lost that figure for the likes of Rachel's. I'm sorry. Go up to your room.
Alright.
Maybe you have some major issues with your mother stemming from your failure to live up to our expectations.
Now my hair's starting to get a little bit longer, so you're going to end up using the complete length of the wand. Alright, see, and then that curl looks so much better. Stop it. Gotta love being a mom. Kids don't let you do anything alone. They want to be a part of it all.
I'm not the type of person that can lie on the couch and cry and scream about how miserable I am.
Alright.
Please, put a lean cuisine on your lap and 400 almond joy wrappers under the cushions and you'll be home.
And then you're just going to repeat the process for the entire pigtail.
Try Arm & Hammer Complete Care. Only Arm & Hammer contains 50% natural baking soda, which neutralizes acid to protect enamel. The foaming formula penetrates hard-to-reach areas to help disrupt plaque buildup, and is proven to remove up to 5 times more plaque than a regular toothpaste. For a deep-cleaning toothpaste you can actually feel working, try Arm & Hammer Complete Care. This has been made by Arm & Hammer.
If your adventure keeps turning into unexpected bathroom trips, you may have overactive bladder or OAB. That's already. We need to see a doctor. Ask your doctor about Mirbetric, Mirbetrun. It treats OAB symptoms of urgency, frequency, and leakage. First and only OAB treatment in its class.
Mirbetric may increase blood pressure. Tell your doctor right away if you have trouble emptying your bladder or have a weak urine stream. Mirbetric may cause serious allergic reactions like swelling of the face, lips, throat, or tongue, or trouble breathing. If experienced, stop taking and tell your doctor right away. Mirbetric may interact with other medicines. Tell your doctor if you have liver or kidney problems. Common side effects include increased blood pressure, cold, flu symptoms, sinus irritation, dry mouth, urinary tract infection, bladder inflammation, back or joint pain, constipation, dizziness, and headache.
Need some help managing your OAB symptoms along the way? Ask your doctor if Mirbetric is right for you and visit mirbetric.com to learn more. When I tested positive for the BRCA2 gene mutation, I just went numb. I decided on a preventative double mastectomy and reconstructive surgery.
Okay, now you can see all of the curls in this one ponytail, and you're going to do the exact same process that you did over here on this side as well.
I had no idea what to expect. I
So,
didn't know if my
make sure your ponytail is nice and tight. And like I said, I start at the back. You can start at the front. It's just a kind of a personal preference for me.
I couldn't believe my eyes.
It's just what I prefer to do.
I personally saw results in the first 10 days, and it gave me hope. Embrace fit in so seamlessly with my lifestyle. It really felt normal to me. Here's what my scar looked like, and here's what it looks like now. Feeling healthy was really important to me, and Embrace was part of that critical journey. Thank you, Embrace. Preventing scars is now possible with Embrace Active Scar Defense. Use promo code TVEmbrace to save on your first purchase at TVEmbrace.com. The government was afraid of the kids who caged.
You should come with us. Together, we're powerful.
The target's mine. Rated PG-13.
Don't look good. Yeah, it looks like it's both. Just what I don't need. This is what you do. Complete the application within minutes. And if approved, you may get the money you need as soon as tomorrow. Money's on the way with CashMint
Hi, baby.
60% of women wear the wrong size hat and can experience leaks. You don't have to. With Always Lifetime, try the next size up and get up to 20% better coverage days or night. Because better coverage means better protection. Always.
Oh, hair foul. Total fail right there. Let's fix it.
Ladies, what brings you to therapy? I came because my mother has an obsession with me getting married.
And if that happens to you, don't get discouraged. My fingers slip off my hair all the time, and they really did that when I was using the glove, which is why I started not using it. You just got to pick that strand of hair back up and retwist it around. It's okay.
Meanwhile, for $100 a session, she could have put out some coffee and some yellow wafers. Fresh yourself off, you look like a veal cutlet. At a certain point, I believe a daughter has to stop blaming her mother for everything. This is your fault. Me? Yeah, you're the one who kept pushing me to have children. They're nothing but heartache. That's right, Cookie. It's payback time. You seem to be harboring a lot of hostility.
Yeah. And if you're not satisfied with the curl, like I'm not totally thrilled with how this one came out, it's the same thing. You just pick that curl right back up, retwist it around. I mean, it could have not gotten the way you wanted because you didn't have it pulled tight enough or you didn't leave it on the heat long enough. I probably did a mixture of both.
This one is for me, right? Huh? Sorry, I drifted off. Most people say our voices are very
It's also because it's a kind of a short, but as you can see, I've got a pretty decent curl set going right there. So now let's keep on going.
You don't have to be married to have a full life, Mom. Sure, I'd like to someday, but if I don't, it doesn't mean my life was worthless. Right? Right?
Gotta love flies. Every summer.
I know you think I'm not all there, but in my day, we didn't air our dirty laundry in public. Welcome to the 80s. Fran, whatever you do, do not let Gracie touch his boards. You beat your father. Yeah, right. You did, Gracie. Fran, I have to break up with Todd. I'm afraid of getting hurt. Oh, sweetie, it's your first crush. Why don't you just enjoy it? No, Fran, I'm really afraid of getting hurt. Those juice boxes are hard. Right, so you picked the wrong guy. No biggie. Just move on with your life, okay? Don't be in such an attic with a cellmate that finds him attractive.
You're back this fine. Good. How did it go?
Well, my mother's thrilled. She finally figured out why she has an unnatural attachment to egg creams. Chinese food, with blaming on the man that used to press Grandma's blouses. You see, Dad, I've got you in 2 moves. You're done. Finished. Toast.
Checkmate.
What? What happened to this board? Oh, never leave 2 queens alone together. They'll redecorate. I should have never blamed my mother anyway. I should have known that guy was out of my league.
No, Miss Fine, he wasn't. He duped you.
Yeah, but I was right for the duping. Once a girl's exposed to a guy like you, so debonair and classy, this is not bad.
I just have to turn a few heads.
Please, this fat guy needs an exorcist. The therapist said that I was subconsciously avoiding a relationship.
Please.
Alright. So now that I've got the curls that I want,
There was a guy out there, single,
the next thing you have to do is cut them out. Now, the video I saw, the lady just pulled her ponytails out, and I did that at first too, but I recently discovered right after I was doing that it kind of flattened out the curl on a little bit of it. It's like the elastic from the ponytail, when it was dragged over the curls, it kind of messed them right back up. So I started cutting them out, and let me go grab the scissors. Alright, now that I've got my scissors, what you want to do is with your fingernails, that seems to work best, is grab one of the loops and put your fingers in there. I hope you can see. That way you don't cut your hair, and then you just cut them out, and then you can pull them out. You do that to both sides. And I'm doing this in front of a camera, and it's so much easier when you do it in front of a mirror, because then you can get the actual visual that you're trying to accomplish. Okay, so now that I've got both of the ponytails out of my hair, all you want to do is fluff it just a little bit.
Does your husband come home?
And that brings all of the curls together. And you don't have any poo from when your ponytail has been in your hair for a long time. And you've got a perfect set of curls going on. Now I'm going to take my straightener later and I'm going to straighten out my bangs. If you don't have the bangs or any need for that, that's completely fine. You obviously don't need it. You'll be a one and done. As soon as you get this done, then you're ready for your day. You can spray it down with some hairspray or anything like that to make sure the hold stays, but I did this the other day and my curls lasted for 3 days. Had no need to put any product in my hair whatsoever. But as you can see, you've got a great set of curls going on throughout your entire hair, and you are ready for school, you're ready for work, or you're ready for that date. So if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and then hit the bell for recent notifications of any new videos I end up putting up. I'll do some more hair tutorials. I'm not great with it, but I do have a few tricks up my sleeve. So I'll see you next time.